Hi, it's Mike here from Countrywide Motor Company, and today we've got something a little bit different. This is a 1959 Standard Vanguard ute, and you just don't see many of these on the road anymore, especially in the ute form. Now, this one is a tidy running survivor. It's got the original 2088cc engine. It has had a repaint and a tidy up some stage in its life, and it does present pretty well. It's not full concours, but yeah, you'll be able to use this and not get too precious on it, and you'll be able to jump in and enjoy it. So whether you're into British classics or old utes or vintage advertising ideas or just something completely different to take to events, this thing will get attention anywhere it goes, and they're certainly getting harder to find. We've also done a fresh warrant of fitness on this, and as part of that, we fitted 4 brand new tyres. Take a look under the bonnet here. You'll see the engine bay is pretty much standard, and this engine actually starts on the button, as you'll see in a second. Well, there we have it. You can own this Standard Vanguard for $12,995. Come and view it in Sanson or CWMC.co.nz.